guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and also ring that bell so you can get notified every time I post. So as you seen by the title, we're gonna be eating authentic Mexican food. So let's get right into this video. So I got the burrito tacos, and this is how the sauce looks. Looks so good. And then they gave me limes. They gave me like so much sauce. Like they literally gave me like all this sauce. And then so I got 2 chicken tacos, and then I got 2 beef tacos, and then I also got 5 of the burrito tacos. So let's go ahead and dig right in. I have not eaten all day, so I'm so hungry. Like, let me just show you guys how it looks. It looks so good. I had to take my little thumbnail, but it looks so good. This is how the chicken tacos look. Hopefully you guys can see it. And then the beef ones, oh my god, they all look so good. But yeah, let's go ahead and get right into it. Let's stop talking. We're gonna be mostly eating, so go ahead and keep on watching. Oh, I cannot wait to taste this. Smells so good. So let's go ahead and dip this right in. This is so good. I've been wanting some of this too. Oh my god. It is definitely very messy. So just expect to see a lot of juice everywhere. Okay, so that's 1 taco down. I'm gonna go ahead and try one of these chicken tacos. Oh my god, that burrito taco was so good. If you guys have not had it already, go ahead and try it. I'm gonna try it with this, the chicken taco with this sauce. It's like this greenish looking sauce. And I told him I want it mild, so hopefully it's not too spicy. Oh my god, that burrito taco was so good. Like, that's one of my, this is beginning to be one of my favorite ways to eat tacos now. Comment down below if you guys have had it. Every bite gets better and better. So this is the beef one. I'm gonna take some salsa and put that on here. I love the green sauce. It is so good. Mm-mm. Mm. You know it's so good when you gotta close your eyes to eat it. Mm. Take some margarine. Mm. Mm. Mm, 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 mm. Mm. Oh my God, guys. You guys have to try these. I'm not gonna lie. The chicken ones are just a tad bit dry. But if you use the salsa that they gave you, it definitely gives it a little moisture. But everything else is bussin'. Bussin', okay? I was so hungry to eat, I forgot to get me something to drink. Mm. But check on my nails. I did it myself. Comment down below if you guys want me to do a nail video for you guys. Ooh, we almost made that fall. I would have been so sad. Mm. Let's close that up so we won't spill it. And go back in. Mm. 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 Mm, 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 mm. I think I'm gonna have the chicken one. Just because I feel like I'm already eating like steak with the burrito tacos, so. Mm. I literally have 2 bags of limes. And only used one so far, so. Mm. This one is super dry. It doesn't even have no juice in it. No juice in the lime. This. Mm-mm. That one feels pretty dry too. It's going everywhere. Oh, excuse me. Mm. 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 Whew. That was really good. Full. So this might be the end of this video, but definitely comment down below what are some other foods that I should do a mukbang to or that I should try. And definitely leave a comment whether you had it or not. I give this place definitely, I would say the burritos, I would give it a 9 out of 10. And then I would give the other tacos, I would say a 7 out of 10, but everything was good. Like, I can't complain. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also ring that bell so you can get notified every time I post. And I will see you guys in the next video.